This is the Ibex Oasis area. It's got a house. It's got an old house down here. You can see the roof. It's got palm trees. I think they had a spring or something over here. Oh, maybe you can see it over here. Maybe not. There's a little rock house right here. Let's see, where is it? Rock house is right here. There's the rock house. It's kind of cool. It's hard to see. I'm gonna go check out that old house real quick, and then we'll go check out that mine. So supposedly there's water over here where these palm trees are. Man, I need to put some shorts on. It's hot. We'll go down here real quick. Oh, this is cool. It's a driveway right down to the house. So this is cool. There's another house over here. They got several houses out here and people working on the mine. Look at this thing. I don't think I'll be able to get in to look at it. A lot of mosquitoes over here. Let's see if I can go in somehow. If I can go in, I'll look at it. Yeah, that's tough. Oh well, you get the idea. Last time when I was here, it wasn't so overgrown with brush. Oh, there's a really cool mine over here though that's right around the corner. And this road used to go all the way through, but it's all rutted out now. So you can't go through. You have to go through another way.
See the hole in the hill right there to the left? Yeah, is it open?
Oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah, this is like white shit. This was one of the mines, but there's another one.
Oh, did you guys look inside this? It's closed. Guaranteed.
There's nothing to look in that one. There's another one over here.
Okay, let me take a peek, guys.
Wow, man, the road's all gone. It's crazy. This road here's a no-go. It used to go straight across, so there's another road to the right, I think, if you follow it, and then it'll probably take you right up to that mine up there. This is the Monarch Mine. Look at that. Big, huge hole in the ground over here, so we're gonna hike up there and check it out. This used to be the road coming up. Not anymore.
They got it up and blocked up.
Wow. Shit, how the hell do you... This is too small for me.
As you get in deeper, it gets big and it gets taller.
Wow. I need to get a mask.
You got a penny up here.
Probably drilling for gold. Everyone's always looking for gold. You can see where the road used to be. That was the road where those barrels are. Cross is over there. Can't get there anymore. I mean, you can, but might need to make a new trail.
Yeah, no. I think you've chosen wisely. We are technically not in Death Valley.